Take a ride in the 2017 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, ventilated front seats, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, security system, trip computer, leather shift knob, tilt steering wheel. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.